In front of me is HONOR Pad X8a, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Display and Brightness. Then scroll again to tap on Screen Refresh Rate. Tap on one of those options to apply a perfect one for you, and when you're ready, just go back. As you can see, after that, screen refresh rate of my HONOR has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!